Well, this is it, guys. The follow-up to the OG, the Maxwell 2. A lot of people have been waiting for this. And this, at least on paper, supposedly improves on a lot of complaints and criticisms of the first version, and also does a lot of fettling on some of the good stuff as well. Now, this cost, at least for the PlayStation model, is $330, and the Xbox version, because of the Dolby Atmos tax, is $350. These are closebacks, of course. We have a 90mm plain out magnetic transducers on either side, and also now with the introduction of SLAM, the acoustic management setup right here. That's trickled down from the $6,000 Carbon 2, and also recently seen on the LCD S20. Bluetooth 5.3 with AAC, SBC, LE audio, support for Orcast and also LDAC, and battery life. And let's open this while we talk some more. I'm really excited about this one, and I'm sure many of you are too. Battery life, at least according to factory, is a massive 80 hours. That's pretty darn amazing. And this also has a boom mic, which we'll see in a second. Welcome to Uncompromised Audio. Has a boom mic and also an internal mic, just like before. Oh yes, nice. So in the box we have the operation manual and also the USB-C dongle if you want to connect this to your console or your PC or whatever. And here is the headphone. I know that there's been improvement to the headband, as you can see there, and the tabs are still there, unfortunately, these ones. So you know, some of you may or may not like it. I was kind of on the fence on it before on the first gen. And here's the SLAM. It kind of looks like a rotary dial, doesn't it? I wish this was like a volume dial. That would be awesome, like you can jog dial this whole thing. But here's the right and here is the left. And check this out, guys. Magnetically removable ear pads, just like the S20. And you can do wire listening through the USB-C port, as well as the 3.5 as well. And this port is for the boom mic. And by the way, the wire listening and Bluetooth, there is simultaneous audio support. Not like, you know, double wired or double Bluetooth, but one Bluetooth and one wired. And that's permitted on this headphone. Let me show this to you closer over here. So we have the boom mic and 3.5 to 3.5, USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and an Odyssey sticker. Oh, what's this? And we have the converter, USB-A to USB-C. The controls are also different a little bit, with good improvements, much better quality just by feel. We have volume, and I think this might be side tone. Here's the boom mic port, and then I think that is either noise cancellation or something like that. Without popping into the manual, I wouldn't know, and I'll let you know, or we'll talk more about it in the full review. And of course, on the other side, we have the power button and also the mute button. The mute button has gone from the side here to a proper toggle switch at the bottom. One of the most important things some of you asked for is the weight. So let's hold on here. 564.